Turn your Facebook profile into a powerful Fanbase machine that grows your music business fast. Music Leads Machine is an interactive blueprint that shows you how to transform your social media profiles to grow your fanbase and build your music business. Get an abundance of any genre music listeners and fans from social media, perfect for beginners and professionals. Set it up once and grow your business around the clock guaranteed. What if I told you there was a highly targeted music listeners source that you didn't even know existed, waiting for fresh new music? And that with each passing second, you were missing out on huge opportunities to grow your fanbase online. We specialize in helping music businesses grow online. And I'm about to show you how to transform your social media profiles to generate an abundance of music listeners and fans to build your fanbase on autopilot. It doesn't require any special skills, and it doesn't involve running any paid ads. This is probably the easiest, most beginner-friendly way to grow your fanbase and music business online today. And I'm willing to bet that you didn't even know it exists. See the incredible results from our raving fans. Think about it like this. Every time you interact on social media, liking, commenting, sharing, posting, you're generating rich, organic traffic straight back to your profile page, whether you realize it or not. Even if you're not that active on social media, you still have a natural flow of potential fans passing through your social media profile every single day. And if your profile isn't optimized to capture and convert that traffic, then you're missing out on all of the music lovers and fans with each passing second that you didn't even know existed. I created Music Leads Machine to turn likes and hearts into a consistent stream of new listeners for your music business. Perfect for Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn and more. 3 simple steps to turn your social media profile into a funnel that generates new excited fans organically. Optimize your profile. My 9-point optimization system turns your profile page into a powerful lead trap that captures free listeners and fans from social media. Connect a funnel. Connect the perfect sales funnel into your profile to siphon off an abundance of music lovers from organic social media traffic. Drive free traffic. As you interact on social media, you will see visitors land on your profile page. The results are instant, and it's easy to do. The best part is, once it's set up, you can drive on-demand traffic from your smartphone, just by interacting on social media, which is fun to do anyway. This is the fastest, easiest, most beginner-friendly way to start and grow your music business online today. 100% money-back guarantee. Try the entire thing risk-free. If you don't love the Music Leads Machine, I'll refund your $47 and even let you keep it. That's right. All you need to do is to email me with your receipt with the title, "Refund Please" smiley face, and I'll give you back your money with no questions asked. Sound fair? In case you're one of those people, like me, who skipped to the end of the video, here's the deal. I want to show you how to hack your social media profiles to generate leads and sales for your music business. I give you the blueprint that will walk you through how this process works so that you can use it for your new or existing music business. There's no catch. No gimmicks. You will not be signing up for any trial to some monthly program or anything like that. If you don't love the Music Leads Machine, I'll even give you a full refund plus let you keep the blueprint. So, click the button below to get your hands on this now. You won't regret it. Get access for only $47.